Do you know that over 50% of smartphone users that use micro USB always come in contact with this issue of charging port? And for that reason, I've come up with this video to show you how easy you can fix charging ports even if you have little or no clue. With me here is a Techno phone which has issue with the charging port. For people who have used Techno phone is a well-designed phone with quality features that you would love to use, especially the camera quality, which come with AI regulation and the strong batteries attached to it. Many of the batteries of Techno phone seems to be of good quality. And what's about the phone is that it has actually made many engineers rich. If you're an engineer, you can attest to that fact that Techno phones indeed are very, very good when it comes to market. If you're selling a phone or you're fixing, Techno phone will definitely make you good money. So I'm using this medium to send a shout out to the company for that wonderful avenue for engineers like us to eat. So for this video, we are actually trying to fix charging ports for this particular phone. It's a really beautiful phone. Just watch and see how the downboard really looks and how beautiful the inside is. I guess the customer have actually come in contact with this problem over time, but I better this will be the last time. So I have to assemble the phone, bring out the downboard and get it fixed immediately. Everything took me about 7 minutes. You can also see other of our videos where we fix screen, downboard, ICs. Thank you for watching.